Okay, we just got done with the gutter cleaning here. If this is your home, I would like for you to pay attention. This looks like original gutters to the house. You can see this nail spike. Now it's popped out here. So that would need to be, beat back in. These are not seamless gutters. You can see how there's this seam right here, and those will leak over time. Gutters were completely clogged. I would suggest gutter replacement within the next few years. Here's another area that needs, I would suggest, a roof tune-up. Got this nail that needs to be beat down. The same thing over here. This needs to be beat down and sealed up. Over time, this dry rots. It looks like it's doing fine. No cracks in it. But overall, your gutters are in good shape. There's a few spots that I'm noticing where the nails are popping up, and as this shingle just sits there like this, it looks like the wind starts to grab it and it's loose. Here's another nail pop. This is all included in a roof and gutter inspection after we do a gutter clean or a roof clean. Now, unfortunately, when people install these, they don't use the proper nails. So I could actually lift this up completely out of the hole. If I wanted to, I'm gonna leave it there. You need like 3-inch nails to hold that down with the sealant over all these nails. The shingles look like they're kind of getting a little bit older, more or less for the fact that I see a lot of this green algae here. So, thank you for watching this video, and we got the gutters cleaned out really good. Any questions you have? Oh, a couple of suggestions. You got a lot of arborvitaes around your property here that are rubbing up against your gutters and your house. So I would suggest a tree trimming, a roof tune-up, and a gutter tune-up at minimum, and possibly look into gutter replacement in the future. Yeah, we do offer low pressure siding cleaning, so if you were to watch the rest of this video here, I'll climb down and show you some of the mold and algae and stuff developing on your siding that we can clean off with low pressure. All this mold up here, mildew, algae, spider webs, soft wash cleaning, no high pressure from the ground. You see that area where the siding is missing? I'd like to get that improved upon. This is a reminder to get your dryer vents cleaned regularly. Fire hazards. We offer the services that we mentioned in this video. So any questions or concerns you have, don't hesitate to give me a call. Let me know. This is Eddie, Multi-Man Services, 815-520-6020. Have a great day.